Hello, and today we're looking at the Gemini Jets Sun Country Airlines Boeing 737-800 in 1/400 scale. And as you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane identical to the one found inside on it. The model of the plane, again, the Boeing 737-800 and the airline Sun Country Airlines. On the back, you have another image of the plane and what information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we can lift the lid. You can see the plane inside, so you can have it on display without opening it. And then on the lid, we have a little history of the Boeing 737-800 and some specification information such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches, and some other information you might like, such as range, cruising speed, and max takeoff weight, and information of that nature. So let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. So you can package within two pieces of plastic. Just remove the top, and there you have it, the Gemini Jets Sun Country Boeing 737-800 in 1/400 scale. Now, this is a highly detailed diecast model, and let's look at some of those details now. Starting with the wings, we can see the flaps, the islands. We can see the split wingtip on this particular model. See the very nice detailed jet engines. Moving on to the stabilizers, you can see the rudder and the elevators. Look at the very nice jet engines. See side, very nice detail. And underneath we have some very nice landing gear. Now this is die-cast metal, so it's quite sturdy, but smaller parts such as landing gear may be more delicate, so please handle with care. Now let's look at this Sun Country livery. We can see the bright orange running across it, with the mix of the dark blue here, with the logo on the stabilizer, and if you can see, on the wingtips themselves, have logos on the inside as well. You can see here it says 40 years of flight, so must be a reference to Sun Country flying for that long. Underneath here it says Boeing 737-800, the model of the plane, and we have a registration of N842SY, the little American flag next to it. Let's look at the other side of the plane to show you the detail. Is universal on this model. Well, it's very, very nice. It has a length of about 9.9 centimeters and a wingspan of about 8.6. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.